Yes, sir. We not worry about the eating them. We not worry about the eater them. We not worry about the have it on them. Sing like African, you know, there's African cream. Are you friendly African? We know if we make good cream, you see. That man look like it belongs to me. Yeah. We're skin clean, we're skin clean. One to them, baby. Ooh, yeah. Let me tell you now, you know. The thing there on it, set up. Fuck them a fret up. Thing there and it set up the shea butter of it in it. The shea butter of it in it. The shea butter of it in it. Oh. Ay. On the face me, you know. On the face me at all, eat all. Talk about the yellow bone did. I know then I use bleaching cream. You will see when I take off the hair and it start to turn black. And then ball after it and it start to turn black. No matter what, then I use bleaching cream and it must burn colored and the eye colored people. When I use bleaching cream for 2 weeks, then turn black. But the eye colored mirrors. Eye colored on my body wall. So the eye color here, and this one I get it from. The eye color and the white one, they're not black the next day. You can't believe the same person you see. Overnight turn black, so about high color and born light skin. I don't say I don't have light skin people, but as man my bleach when I still when the finger look brown and all on the finger black. So man I get the finger light, man. Let's start the truth, preach it for what it is. I am proud to be a black woman. Don't get me wrong. I love my blackness. I'm just removing 8 spot and black spot. I'm not changing my color. I'm just brightening my color to show that I'm people of many color. And the skin look black and it, me white, me a Indian, me a every color and it. Me a one person with every nation. So I want to see me peel off the next color. You know, say me a good smarty. Me the same smarty. So if you want to see me ugly because me black, well me white underneath so me couldn't ugly. You hear? Me white underneath so me couldn't ugly, brother. You know, mad people are set up mad ass. So don't call me mad. You don't call me mad. Oh, you know, a mad set of ass, you know. A mad set of ass. But me mad, let me if you go crazy. Me if you go Bellevue. Bellevue door closed and I let me no mad. My sanity in her ass. Sanity or insanity or insane. What's the difference to me? It's not a difference to me. Ha ha. Bright and bright on the outer order. Want come take me up my skin. And my skin this. It's many colors. Outer order. And bright doing. Bright. Very outer order. And I'm feeling nice. So light of an early light, also burning me much. I'm brave. I'm brave. Good night, my people. I love what they say.